Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Ranger. Tough inside and out, Ranger proves its mettle. This vehicle has less than 125,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, power steering, AM/FM stereo radio. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.